Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you felt fabric with embroidery craft ideas. So friends, let's start today video, friends. So let's start today video. Friends, I will share some beautiful and easy felt fabric embroidery crafts ideas. Felt fabric is very soft and easy to cut and stitch. That is why it is perfect for painters and craft lovers. Let's explore some creative ideas you can make at home. First idea is felt flower embroidery. Cut small flower shape from colorful felt fabric. Now use simple embroidery stitches like running stitches or blanket stitches to decorate the pattern. You can add beads or small buttons in the center. These flowers look very cute and on bags, cloth or wall frames. The second idea is felt heart keychains. Cut two heart shapes from felt fabric. Stitch the edges with colorful embroidery thread before closing the stitch. Fill the heart with the soft cotton. Add a small key rings on the top. Your handmade felt keychain is ready. The third idea is felt animal embroidery patches. You can make small animals like a cat, bunny, birds, cue. Cut the shape from felt and use embroidery thread to add eyes, nose, small details. These patches can be stitched on jacket, backpack or kids cloth. Another beautiful idea is felt embroidery bookmark. Cut long rectangle piece of felt fabric. Now decorate them with small flower leaves, simple embroidery pattern. This bookmark look elegant and make reading more fun. So friends, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel.